An adventure is something that isn't scripted. It's something that unfolds and you have to roll with it.
Part of this is not knowing what might be around the corner. Whatever it is, look for some kind of an adventure.
It's an area where you can go as you choose. Nature's left to its own means.
You're part of it, and you move with it.
When that moment is before you, it leaves you speechless. There's an ownership to the land. It's living history.
There's that stewardship that they bring to it. We become stewards along with them. It's as it has always been, and there's a timelessness that comes with that. It is almost like being welcomed into that world. It's a real privilege.
I'm drawn in by the people here. I'm drawn in by the landscape, by the wilderness. And I'll be back.